In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use an EBT card on the Sam's Club app. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. The best way to use your EBT card inside of the Sam's Club app is when you go to the checkout process. So first, open up the latest version of the Sam's Club mobile app, sign in using your credentials, and browse through all the available items. You can go ahead and purchase anything that you need, just add it to your cart, and once you are satisfied and you want to add and use the EBT card, proceed to checkout. When you go to checkout, you will have the option to slide down until you find the payment option. As you can see in the payment methods available, you should have the option to add an EBT card if you don't see yours listed. So select Add an EBT card, confirm it again by selecting Add a payment card, and you will be able to input the details about your EBT card. Input your first and last name and the full card number. Keep in mind that this EBT card will have to be verified before you can actually finish the checkout, so make sure all the details are in order, and if everything looks okay, it will appear under the payment methods now available. Choose the EBT card that you just added, and you will be able to manage the amount of EBT food and EBT cash as necessary. Once you are ready, confirm the purchase and you will have to verify your PIN through AccuLink, and if everything looks okay, the purchase will go through immediately. I hope I was able to help you on how to use your EBT card on the Sam's Club app. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.